Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing damage. Stop using the affected drive and connect it read-only if possible. Once done, install and launch the recovery program with elevated permissions so it can access raw sectors. Select the target disk and choose a quick scan to locate file table entries and recently deleted records. This is faster and often sufficient. You do this because recovering fragmented or overwritten data is harder so early. Conservative steps improve success rates and reduce further corruption. Once the quick scan completes and you've reviewed results, escalate to a deep scan to read raw sectors and use file signatures for reconstruction. You should preview files, images, documents, archives to confirm they are intact before recovery. This saves space and time. Make sure to apply filters such as file type, date ranges, or minimum size so you focus on critical data. If files appear fragmented, let the tool attempt intelligent reassembly. If not, run another pass with different signature sets. You complete recovery by exporting selected files to a different physical drive to avoid overwriting source sectors. After transfer, verify files open and function. Check documents, play media, compare checksums if you have originals. Make sure to document what recovered successfully and where it's stored. If files are corrupted or missing, stop further writes, try a second recovery pass, or run a different software with alternate signature libraries. If problems persist, consider professional data recovery services to avoid irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.